Hello viewers, welcome back. So my dear students, in this lesson we are going to see another term, okay, which is very important. And this is a basically psychology. Psychology of retail traders, which they believe that market will come in our favor, but unfortunately that is not going to happen. We will see what is optimistic bias. Okay, so let's start. For example, whenever you have taken the trade, imagine there was a buy position from this point and from here this was your stop loss. Market comes down, again it comes down, it hits your stop loss and you are going to increase your stop loss, then it comes down and again it comes down. Okay, so what normally happens, you are going to extend your stop loss and you are going to increase your stop loss as well, and market will continue to go against you. Now there will be a wrong belief, a false belief inside your personality that market will come to my favor and it will make a comeback towards my side. Okay, but unfortunately that is not going to happen. So optimism or optimistic bias is essentially a mistaken belief that our chances of experience negative events are lower. Okay, negative thing chances will be lower, and we believe, of course we strongly believe or overestimate one thing, that our positive experience will be fine. Okay, and our chances of experience positive events are higher than those of our partners or peers as well. As compared to other people's, our chances of positive events will be great. So basically it is a process in which we have a strong misbelief that our chances of experiencing negative events are lower and our chances of experiencing positive events are higher than those of our peers. Okay, in simple words you can say overconfidence or overestimating one thing. Whenever we have a proper trading plan and market is going to hit your one of stop loss, then there is no concern about that, because professional and realistic and successful traders, they don't care about for the loss of one trades. They believe they are going to win in a series of long term trades and they are going to win in long term trades as well. So people tend to overestimate the probability of positive events and underestimate the probability of negative events. Okay, they will overestimate positive events, that market will come in our favor and market will never go against our favor, so they negate the probability of negative events happening to them in the future as well. This complete process is known as optimistic bias, optimism bias. In forex trading, what we can say, this is basically that holding your trade for the long term and getting a lot of stress, getting disturb your mind as well. So in forex, what we are going to do, holding our trades for a long time without stop loss. What we can say in forex trading, optimistic bias is that creating a self belief in our inside our personality that market will go to our favor, creating a self belief of positive chances are higher as compared to negative chances and we will win. But remember one thing, my dear students, this is a technical market. This market is based on technical analysis. If your one day is not good, then in a 1 week you have four other chances to win. Okay, and many days as well. Market is never going to stop, and nowadays even due to involvement of Bitcoin and crypto market, even some brokers are supporting 24 by 7 trading as well. So stop loss is very important, my dear students. Never overestimate your analysis. If your stop loss is hit, that's okay, no problem at all. You will recover it tomorrow. So this was the explanation that what is optimistic bias. I'm sure that it is going to help in your future trading and you will try to change your. Okay, thank you so much.